Hey there, motorcycle enthusiasts! Jan here from Wunderlich America, and today we've got a game changer for your Ducati DesertX. The Wunderlich Ducati DesertX folding headlight guard. Let me tell you, this isn't just any headlight guard. This is the perfect blend of protection and convenience. Imagine you're tearing through an off-road route and suddenly an object comes flying at your headlight. That could spell disaster for your expensive headlight, right? But fear not, because Wunderlich has you covered. Our precise fitting and foldable headlight guard significantly reduces the risk of damage and expensive repairs. Our product is well thought out, unlike other headlight guards that make cleaning a chore. It effortlessly folds down, allowing you to clean the headlight and acrylic shield hassle-free. Just like that, you've got access to your headlight, and once you're done cleaning, it easily folds back up, protecting your headlight like a champ. Now let's talk protection. This guard offers ideal protection against both small and large impacts. We recommend the clear headlight guard if you prefer subtle yet effective protection without compromising on visibility. Now let's get technical. This guard is built to perfection. The acrylic shield is highly durable, shatter and scratch proof, as well as UV and petrol resistant. The bracket is made of high-grade stainless steel and coated in a sleek black finish. The guard measures 290 mm, 11.5 inches in width, and 188, 7.5 inches in height, with a sturdy 3 mm material thickness. When you choose Wunderlich, you're opting for a premium product, made in small batches and handcrafted with care. It's not just about protection, it's about the design and functionality. So whether you're conquering off-road challenges or cruising the streets, the Wunderlich Ducati DesertX folding headlight guard is a must-have accessory. It's not just headlight protection, it's a peace of mind on two wheels. As always, hop on our bike finder on the Wunderlich America website and enter your year, make and model to see what parts we have to enhance your ride. If you have any questions, please feel free to pick up the phone and call us at 828-489-3747 or shoot us an email at info@wunderlichamerica.com. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to speed on all future videos when they hit the channel. Stay tuned as we continue bringing you the industry's best motorcycle parts and accessories. I'm Jan. Ride safe and ride in style and confidence with Wunderlich.